and gentlemen, it's Simtechnos. We are back here again with the demo for UltraJek Android apps. Well, the Android apps and the iOS apps all are natives and done using the same platform, so it's pretty much the same. But right now we are making the demo for the Android apps. Here, you get three apps basically. You get the user app, you get the provider app, you get the shop as well. Right now we are demoing the user and the provider part actually. The shop part we will demo later stages, or you can check it for yourself, not a problem with this. Let's start with the basic thing now. So you can see on the left hand side, the icon with the red one, this one is the user one, and the other one with the green one is the provider one. So now we are going to log in into the apps. The language difference is there because we wanted to show you that we support multiple languages. So we are just going to log in using our demo credentials. And we're pretty much logging in now. You can see once we log in, you can see like the page loads up with all the kind of services we provide. There can be many of it, but for the demo purpose, we have just put a couple of them for you to have a clear picture. This place, the offering coupons, you can put up your coupons and the vouchers related to them, and feature services you can define as per the region. Along with that, in the profile, you can see the profile, the address system, the payment system, the wallet, the privacy policy consent, the support system, as well as the language options and the reference systems. And that you can see all the notifications which can be sent from the admin panel and all the history, like all the transport, all the history of what things have been done in the past and all the other things. You have all the things put up here. So without getting much delayed, we are moving on to the driver app now. In the driver app, you can see the homepage where you can go online and go offline. And you have the history of all the transactions, like all the, what do you say, all the transactions of the services you have provided, the notifications which are being sent by the admin, and the account where you can manage your profile, you can manage your services because you can provide multiple services, as well as you can manage your documents, you can manage your bank details, you can put up your cards if there's a subscription module activated inside the same, your wallet, all your earnings and your transactions and stuff you will get to know here. Your earnings with full details like how much money you have won today, on the week, or in the month. Your invite refill system and languages and support system and everything else. Now we are going to put up a demo right for you, so you have a clear picture how it actually works. So when I go to the taxi in the user app, you can see it already shows me that there is a sedan available because the provider available on this end is the sedan. Now what I do is that I enter a drop location first, and I'm going to select someplace nice, maybe not. I don't want to actually do this way. What I want to do is that I want to actually manually put it in the place. I find it easier. You can see the map is already granted. Now I click on sedan and I go to get pricing. Now I get to see all the options. Estimated fare, the time, estimated time arrival, and the model of the car is coming. And the coupon systems and everything, and use the wallet amount. So I'm going to place a right now request. Once I place the right now from here, you can see the driver nearby is getting notified. Now you can see on the screen, you can see now on the driver app, it's showing that where he's supposed to go to pick it up. And on the user app, it's showing me that some driver is being selected, which is having some weird name as GETGOJEK and is having some car model, but it is a sedan anyways. So and you see there is an OTP, which you will see how it comes in use. And you can communicate with the driver using a phone call, or you can chat with the driver. So I'm going to just chat with the driver. I'm just going to write, hi, pick me up. And you can see the driver is getting notified instantly. Now, the driver is going to proceed and is going to come up. Now, to ensure that there are no mistakes in the pickup, when the driver is going to pick me up, he is going to need the OTP to start the trip unless I give him the OTP. So I give him a wrong OTP now just to see. So I give him the OTP as 2012. And if it tries to start the trip, see, the OTP says invalid because the OTP is incorrect. Now I tell him to actually put it up 2013, the right one, and you can see the trip can get started now. Now you can see the trip has already started now, and the ETA is 6 minutes in the entire. So now we're going to actually finish it up to wrap it up fast. Now you can see if there were any toll charges, so the driver can actually add up toll charges. And they can put the amount, and they can confirm this amount with the user as well. So this was the agreed amount of the toll charges. And you can see like it shows me like this is the entire thing, and if I want I can actually change and I can add up the wallet and stuff to make the payment. But since I already don't have anything added, it can be done. So you can see the complete breakup of the same way. You can see the distance traveled was nothing, just the base fare and the toll charges were included, since we have kept the demo figures entirely, and the amount was rounded from 2.02 to 22. And it's like pretty smooth now. So the same thing goes for like a lot of things. You can have a bike ride for yourself. You can order food for yourself from the different shops, and you can have everything in there. You can select the menu, press the order, get the food for yourself. You can have the grocery. You can order liquor. You can order flour, electrician, carpenter, tutor. There can be ton of things. There's no limit to it, like what all you cannot have in it. Like for example, I'll give you another demo account which has like quite a ton of services inside, so you can have a brief idea actually how many services we are talking about here. Now you can see when I log in here, you can see there are a ton of other services as well, and these can keep on increasing. You can have the entire page, you can have 2 pages, 3 pages, or maybe 10 pages of services, because there is no limit of adding up services and defining the category and the subcategory and the service pricing. And you have an option where you can define the pricing is being to be set by you as an admin or the provider as himself. So that pretty much sums up the Android part of it. There is the shop app. If you're going to order anything from the store, like flowers, liquor, maybe food items, grocery, pharmacy, then the shop app is going to come into action. We'll try to make a video of it in coming sometime. Thank you so very much for watching the video. If you have any queries, you have any suggestions, you can always get back to us at simtechnos.in, or you can drop us an email at info@simtechnos.in. Thank you very much for your time and patience.